ABC approach. ABC approach is, see, assuming that in most examination halls you get the question papers at least 4 or 5 minutes before the booklet, right? That's what we have heard from people who have written mains. First they distribute the question paper, and then they remove the cue caps, and then they announce the time to start. So you are left with approximately 5 minutes, and in some centers more than 5 minutes with the question paper. This is the right amount of time for you to read the entire paper and grade the questions into a particular category, right? I know this, I have some idea, I can make up an answer, I have no clue. This is usually the 3 category of questions that you will have in a paper, right? And what happens at your peak of your preparation is that 50-60% of the questions will be A. You'll likely know. 30% will be B, and 10-20% will be 10% will be C, right? So then what happens? The sequence is that A15 followed by A10, then B15 followed by B10, C15 followed by C10. Now, the amount of time you spend for an A grade question, the approach you have for an A grade question, the way you interpret an A grade question will be different from a B and a C grade question. Now, ideally, what is the logical expectation? 10 markers in 7 minutes and 15 markers in 11 minutes. This is the logical expectation, right? This is like saying that everybody should drink 8 glasses of water every day. But somebody might need more water. Somebody is in some terrain which does not have a lot of water availability. Similarly, every question will not have equal competence, so you will have to develop a differentiated approach for different types of questions. So that means, let's say that a 15 marker can probably go to 12 to 13 minutes. A 10 marker can go into 8 to 9 minutes, right? Because you have more content, you can impress, and somehow if this is 60% of your paper, then it can have a significant impact on your attempt. A B15 marker may be 10 to 11 minutes or lesser, right? 6 to 7 minutes. And this will probably be 25 to 30% of your paper, right? And here is where the time comes. 5 minutes, 3 minutes. The approach you have in these questions will be different from these questions. Your handwriting will be bigger. You will have large maps which does not have much value. You have a big schematic in the center of the page with 4 hubs, 4 spokes, right?